My son is not ready to be a professional footballer in my opinion, so he loves to eat French fries and drink soda, which lead us to argue because I want him to eat healthier. He doesn't always have the right mindset to be a professional. But honestly, I see a lot of potential in him because he's tall, fast, and dribbles well. My mother even says he's a better player than I was at his age, but I don't push him to be a professional. I want him to be whatever he wants as long as he's happy and does his best. If he decides to be a professional footballer, I will help him to achieve that. Even though he's young, I encourage him to run on the treadmill and take ice baths. But it's hard for him sometimes. And he's like, "Daddy, the water is cold," and complains about the extra training.